Hi there, Chris here. I have a tubular lock and I'm just starting to learn how to pick these. And this is just an inexpensive tubular lock. Works fine. That's open, that's closed. It doesn't have a cam on the back, but anyway. I've tried to single pin pick this and I have not been able to be successful with it. I can try it real quick, but I'm not sure what my tension should be, and I sometimes have trouble getting this to sit in here, like right now. Anyway, I will try. So the first pin is loose. The second pin got a little click and a turn off him. The third pin is tight. The fourth pin got a click off him. Springy on the next one. I've lost count already. Nothing off there. Tight here. So I guess you just keep going around. Another click, but it didn't seem to set. Well, there it's set. I'm increasing my tension. Now it just popped up. Maybe I can't hold this in hand and do it. Anyway, I have tried this maybe 2 or 3 times at the most. I got a click. Did it stay down? Did it stay set? It doesn't feel like it's staying set. Continuing around. Absolutely nothing on. I should count these. Let's see, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing on 7. Nothing on 6. Springy. Yeah, I need to try this on the vise because this is really awkward on the hand. Especially when you don't know what you're doing. Maybe I'm missing a pin? No. So that's one attack you can do. And I can't even hear if I set any pins. Some of them stayed down. But I also have this, which is kind of a no-brainer, off eBay. And this one is the 7.8. And I don't know how these are supposed to work other than you set them all to 0, so to speak. And then you put it in. And I'm not sure if they usually work this easy, but I'm open. I mean, that's an open. I'll try that again. This almost feels like you push it in. I don't even have to, do anything other than push it in and turn it. So maybe this is a very simple lock, or this is a very good tool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make a comment. Help me out here on how to single pin pick this. And like I say, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.